Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the no licenses issue on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Click on Steam, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up a new window where you can adjust various Steam configurations. In the Settings window, look at the left panel and click on Interface. This section controls how your Steam client looks and behaves. Now you'll see an option called Client Beta Participation with a drop-down menu right beside it. Click on that drop-down menu and select Steam Beta Update. This step is important because switching to the beta version can often resolve licensing conflicts and refresh your client's connection to Steam's servers. After selecting the beta update, you'll see a button that says Restart Now. Go ahead and click on it. This will close your Steam client completely and relaunch it with the beta version active. You'll need to wait a few moments while Steam restarts and applies the changes. Once it reopens, you'll be running the updated version, which should help resolve the licensing issue. Now that Steam has relaunched, we need to clear your download cache, as this can sometimes store corrupted data that interferes with license verification. Click on Steam again in the upper left corner, then select Settings just like before. This time in the left panel, click on Downloads. This section manages how Steam handles game downloads and updates. Scroll down until you find the option Clear Download Cache with a button right beside it. Click on Clear Cache. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to proceed. Click Confirm to complete the process. This action removes temporary files that might be causing the license verification to fail, giving your client a fresh start. If the issue still persists after these steps, there's one more method we can try. In the upper left corner, click on Library. This will display all the games in your collection. Locate the specific game that's showing the no license error, right-click on it, and select Properties from the menu that appears. In the Properties window, look at the left panel and click on Installed Files. Here you'll find an option to verify integrity of game files. Click on it. This feature scans all your game files and compares them with Steam servers to ensure nothing is missing or corrupted. Wait for the scan to finish completely, as this process checks every file associated with that game. Once the verification is complete, try launching the game again and the no license issue should now be resolved. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.